Hey, hello guys. We are Group 5, and today we are going to talk about our final project, which is fitness websites.
Hey, shit. Hey, hey, 你当啊。
Oh, okay, so we are divide our presentation into five parts, which is the introduction, methodology implementation, and the last two is result and conclusion. And our team member is me, Victor, and later we'll have Maurice, Nelson, and Sean. So the first one for the introduction. So for the introduction, as the professor mentioned about the SDG goals in the class, with in these 17 goals, we choose the third one, which is the good health and well-being for our main topic. And depending on this one, we also have a sentence which is allow complete beginners to easily get started with fitness. So this is our main goal. And some in some situations, people will face like the difficult like they want to go to the gym or they want to do some exercise. They are just complete beginners. They have no any experiences about it. And if they go to the gym, they also didn't know how to use any items. So this is why we want to create this website. And for the methodology, for the second part is methodology. And in the methodology, we will use the timeline, and we have four parts. The first two is initiation phase and planning phase. So for the initiation phase, we just checking our SDG goals and setting our project main topic, which is just create a website about fitness. The second one is planning phase. We in this part we start to use multiple AI tools to search information, and especially we use Perplexity. It's an AI tools to help us to summary a lot of information. Okay. And for the next two part is execution phase. In the execution phase, because we already check what we're gonna do, so we just start to code our project. For the website, we use HTML, CSS, and Python. And also in our website, we have one 3D model, so we also use a Blender. The last one is closure phase. In the closure phase, we just need to decoration our website and record and upload our simple videos.
Mm, Now I will explain the process when I'm writing the website. 我讲超快。First of all, I use a useful tool Figma to design the layout and appearance of my web page. Maybe you might think this is unnecessary, but I think as a beginner, planning the framework and identifying the desired functions in advance is essential for the project. And this is a draft to show part of our web page. This is to show that I organized the information that we found about fitness into primary, secondary, tertiary headings to ensure the data collection is easy to follow and visually appealing. And I learned HTML on YouTube and mostly on Chinese websites. I found that bootstraps that provide me useful sources like I plan to have a button thing on my website that can click it and when it will open and close. And I can just use the collapse function code here that bootstraps provide me. And this is a short video that to show the button thing and later we will have a longer video to demonstrate how our websites work. And last, which take the most time is keep coding and refining the web page.
Next is about 3D models. First, I downloaded a human body model from the internet and edited it using Blender. And I split the muscle into parts, like in this picture, and gave each part a different color. And I also added 3D text to show the name of each muscle. Then I adjusted the position and angle of each text. And to add the 3D model to the website, I used a tool called A-Frame. It is very easy to use and works with simple HTML code. And this is a HTML code. You can move the camera around the model using orbit controls. The 3D model is loaded from a GOV file. I set its position, size, and rotation to make it look good. To make the model brighter, I add lights from the front, back, left, and right. The background is set to a light blue color. With this code, you can rotate, zoom, and view the 3D model from any angle directly in your website.
At the beginning, our video were linked to other Finnish websites through hyperlinks, but we feel that this approach lacked originality for our website and could be considered plagiarism. Therefore, we researched relevant fitness movement ourselves, learned how to perform them correctly, and used the school stream to record each of our video.
Hello everyone, welcome to our Fitness Start website. I am Morris.
And I'm Sean.
We are going to tell you how to use it and what we have on our website. So this is a one-page website designed to be simple and user-friendly. On the left side of the site, you can find sections like Introduction, 3D Muscle, Step Instructions, which are divided into 4 parts: Up Front, Up Back, Low Front, and Low Back. And first of all, there is an introduction part that explains to users how to use the website.
Second, you can explore the 3D muscle map to find the muscle group you want to train at its specific location.
And you can use your mouse to zoom in or out and rotate it 360 degrees from the front way to the back. For example, if you want to train your muscle in the upfront area, you can click the upfront
button on the left, which will take you directly to that section. And you can see like chest with 2 exercises that you can train with. Each exercise includes written step-by-step instructions and a demonstration video featuring our team member Nelson. And we have many types of muscle building exercise. So that's how our website works and what it offers.
The end.
Our goal is to make it easy for a complete beginner to easy get start fitness. So we decide to create a website that beginner can use. We organize exercise for different muscles so that user don't have to spend time search for information one by one. And what do we learn through this final project? From the start, we research information about the SDG, gaining a deeper understanding and awareness. We also learn how to use various tools to help us quickly search and organize information. Throughout the process, we learn lots of coding source which help us solve the problem that we encounter and achieve our goal. So, do we successfully finish it and reach our initial goal? I would say definitely.
Thank you everyone.